Let's go to question number 45, jump game, the second. This is a hard question. Let's get into it. Given an array of non-negative integers, you are initially positioned at the first index of the array. Each element in the array represents your maximum jump length of that position. Your goal is to reach the last index in the minimum number of jumps. Let's check with the example. Input is 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, and then output is 2. So in this case, we'll start here, right? And then first jump is 3, and then next going to 4. So 1, 2, return 2. How we gonna do? Okay, today I'm gonna use the greedy approach, and result is quite good, and we can get linear time with constant space. I think that is one of the best approach of this question. Okay, let's brainstorming first. So nums is this one, right? So this index is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then okay, let's make the boundary first. It's quite similar of the two-pointer technique. So first, that here is a start point here, and then end point is a value of nums. So in this case, this is 2, right? So end is here. So first, I will iterate this time and then find the maximum jump. This is the okay. Let's say that is the n. N is I will calculate from here. So in this case, it's able to jump here, right? So first here, if the okay, let's check. In this case, best is here, right? This is next, and then let's think about here. Here is the 1 colon 10 3, so that is 4, right? So next must be 4, and then in this case, next is 2 plus 1 is 3, smaller than. So we able to find the next jump, and then this one. So next time the ind the code next is the ind. So next term this is s, and then this is the e, and then we able to find the somewhere of the next, right? So I will use this approach. Okay, so first we need to get start is the index 0, and then end is value of nums, and then jump. First jump is 1, right? Jump is 1, and then okay, while let's iterate while end is smaller than length of number of names minus 1, because this is final destination. So first let's calculate max. Next is the max of 1, and then index current index plus nums I, right? And therefore I in range from start and then end, and then plus 1 to include the end index. Then we put the start for the end, and the end is next. Then increase jump plus 1, and then return jump. Okay, looks good. Oh, I forgot the edge case. Edge case in this case, output is 1, but expected 0 because we initialize jump is 1. So we need to get rid of this edge case. If nums is 0 or 1, we need to return 0. Awesome. Okay, let's check the complexity. Time complexity is there are one iteration, and then this one is the quite small, and then as you see, we normally touched only one item of list array, so we able to say this is the it take linear time and then constant space because we do not use any extra data data structure. Thank you.